In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to molly new box Inferno in CS2. Be sure to watch this video to the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by lining yourself up right here, kind of where you get stuck and where your foot's kind of next to this barrel. You're going to aim between these two kind of rails on the roof, and all you're going to do is just left click and throw it. Just like that, it kind of makes all of new box a fiery mess, so everyone's going to have to come out. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.